Om. I sit erect in a comfortable posture. I am at ease with myself. In this meditation, I investigate into the fundamental nature of myself from the standpoint of existence. I start by chanting Om thrice. Om. I recognize that all through my life, right from birth until the present, there is the notion of I exist. I was always aware of my existence. There is a fundamental background of existence all through my life. Let me investigate into the source of existence. Is body the source of existence? Body derives its existence from the constituent parts like legs, hands, organs, etc. Body doesn't have existence apart from the body parts. The existence of the body is actually the existence of the body parts. Body parts in turn derive their existence from tissues. Tissues from cells. Cells from molecules. I can extend this up to subatomic particles. Subatomic particles are actually condensed form of energy. Beyond this, I am not able to analyze any further. It is clear that body doesn't have existence of its own. Hence, body is not the source of existence. Coming to the life force pervading the body. Life force derives its existence from the food consumed. Life force can't exist if there is no food consumption. Food doesn't exist apart from the cells. I again extend up to subatomic particles and energy. Here too, I recognize that life force doesn't have existence of its own. Hence, life force also is not the source of existence. What about the mind? Mind is a stream of thoughts. Mind can function only if food is consumed. Hence, mind also derives its existence from food. Again, I recognize that mind also is not the source of existence. Intellect also can't function without food. Here again, I recognize that intellect also is not the source of existence. What about the I? The deep sense of I. I. I am existence itself. I recognize myself to be self-existent. I don't depend on anything else to be. I am pure being. I, as pure consciousness, am pure existence itself. There is no difference between being self-conscious and being self-existent. This is a great wonder. Am I the dependently existent body-mind, or the self-existent I? I. The only thing I can say about myself is I. I. I can't even say I am a human being. Nothing other than I. From where does the I arise? What is the source of I? When mind investigates into the source of I, mind is resolved into the source. The source, which is self-effulgent, light of consciousness. Light of awareness. The ever-shining, self-luminous light of awareness. Pure consciousness. That is my real nature.